guys, and welcome back to my channel, Hello Sparkles. So I'm just gonna do a watch me make things videos on these fairy orbs or flower orbs or whatever, just little gardeny orbs I made. They're actually a gift from my mom, which I already gave them to her and she loved them, which is great. So I actually got most of this stuff last year, no, 2 years ago now, because I think I got it in 2018. Because I was supposed to make her a birthday gift and I just never did it. So anyway, most of the stuff came from the Dollar Tree or clearance rack, we call it, clearance rack Christmas decor. That's where the Christmas balls came from. So I didn't really get them for $4. I got them for like 50 cents or something like that, thank God. But a lot of this is trial and error. This whole beginning part of this video is so stupid, but it's me messing with these sticks trying to make a little fairy hut or tent or whatever, and it just kept trying and trying and trying, and it never worked. It never worked out, and I really liked the idea of having like a little fairy house in there, but I didn't know how to execute it, and I also didn't want to break out my clay and mess with all that because I was not in the mood. I just kind of wanted to see what I could do with what I had that I didn't have to do too much extra into, if that makes any sense, without it sounding horrible. But it seemed to turn out in the end pretty good. So the beginning of this video is just, like I said, trial and error. Like here I tried to use material and then I was like, no, screw that, that's not gonna work. Let me see if I can do something else. And then yeah, so I'll let you guys watch and then I'll chime in when I think something is good or I need to explain something further. I hope you enjoy. wanted to chime in here real quick that I wanted to say that working on these orbs were a little bit more difficult than I thought they were going to be. Sorry, that's my dog's in the background. Because getting my hands in there to position it where I want it and getting them glued down before the hot glue got too hard was difficult because my hands were as big as the holes in the side of the ornaments, so it made it difficult. So yes, I just want to say that that was the fun part. But overall, I am very excited about how these turned out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. And also hit that bell if you want to see more of my videos. Sorry about my dogs in the background, they're fighting. But yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for checking everything out. Bye.